Welcome to my very first room transformation video. This is me from the future, from when I actually filmed the main part of this video. I wanted to explain that this would be more of like a series, so I'll be doing like little DIYs, little transformations throughout the whole process of me like decorating and redoing my bedroom. Let's pop to me from a few months ago. I decided that I want to make a little hanging orb moss greenery thing in front of my window. I'm gonna give my window a makeover. This actually isn't everything, but it's the pretty things, so. I also have beads and twine and like fishing string and hooks, stuff like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is actually just fill these clear like terrarium glass things, these orbs, with moss and other cute leafy things. So I'm gonna make these first. And if you're wondering, I got these from Hobby Lobby. Everything was on sale for like 50% off. Each of these were like $4 and the big ones were $5. And then the moss, each was $7. This was like $2. And each of like the moss balls were half off too. So this was like $3. And I think the littler ones were like $2. So right now I'm peeling the sticker off. I wonder if there's an easier way to do this. Okay, got a washcloth that I kind of dampened. All right, stickers are off, thank goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna start opening up my moss. So I've never actually used moss for a craft before, so they come out in little like chunks, I guess. I don't know if I just plop them in. That doesn't look right. You tear them apart. Maybe there's directions. All it says is simply fill a clear glass vase or bowl with your choice of moss for a fresh, green, eco-friendly look. So I think I could just like dump this in and it'd be good. I'm probably overthinking this. I probably just put little pieces in. No one's gonna be looking at this besides me, whoever watches this video. I think that looks cute. Then I want to put one of these in. So I got this really cute purple one, and then I got this. We'll put this purple one in. Okay, I think I need to cut off more of a stem so it kind of like fits really cute in there. Uh-oh. I don't know if I can get it out. Oh wait, yeah, I can. Okay, let's plop this in. Cute. I like it. I think I need some more moss like right there though. So here's the second one. I'm just gonna do the same thing in the first one and use this instead. So it's the next day. Last night I finished all of my orbs and I took down the curtain and I put up a hook and tried to figure out where I wanted the orbs to be. So I just put up one of the orbs I was working on with like the green moss twine. I'm going to finish putting up these glass moss balls. I'm gonna hang them up and then I'm gonna go in and try to figure out where I want these. Okay, so my little glass orbs are all hung up and now I'm gonna go in with these. I have two. I have one in purple and one in pink. I got these from World Market for like $6. And for this one, I actually bought an air plant that I'm gonna put in it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with the pink one yet. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go and fill in any spaces with even more moss. I have these two big balls of moss. I have two little ones and a medium-sized one. stopped explaining what I was doing and I just finished it on my own without filming. Those little bottles that I filled with moss. So I didn't want them really to just be like hanging there from more just like fishing twine that was invisible. I thought it would be cute if I put on some purple beads. So that's what I did, and I hung them like that. I think it looks so cute to have a little, sorry, I'm looking at my window right now. I think it looks so cute to have little like crystals and purple beads hanging. So up in my window, I have maybe like 14 things hanging, but that means I have like a lot of hooks. So to hide them, I put up a vine that I just kind of like wrapped around. It's one of the vines you buy off Amazon. I just had an extra one, so I just kind of like wrapped it around the hooks and just hid it a little bit. And then I briefly mentioned, but I got the old curtain off of there, thank goodness. And I put up a new curtain rod and new curtains. The curtains are like crinkle curtains I got from World Market. They're so cute. I love them because it gives me privacy, but it also lets in a lot of light. So my curtains are closed right now, and like, it's letting in a lot of light. I think it just gives my moss a really nice background too. It's just like a nice cream color. And then my curtain rod is silver with little like crystal orbs on the end. I actually got them from Walmart. I think they were like $5. So if you need cute curtain rods, check Walmart. And while I'm at it, I actually have another window in here that I didn't show for like the transformation because I wasn't doing some sort of DIY, but I will show you right now what that looks like. So I got the same crinkle curtains from World Market in here and the same curtain rods with like the little orbs on the side. In here, I have a plant that I bought. I put it on a little macrame hanging thing. She's super cute. I think her name is going to be Penelope. Please ignore the wood paneling back there. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss any more like room transformation videos. Bye!